The materials that we need for this project are Arduino UNO, temperature sensor, breadboard, and jumper wires. Connect the sensor VCC pin to 5V, Vout pin to analog pin A0, and ground pin is grounded. Now verify and upload the Arduino code. Open the serial monitor to see the sensor output. Now let us increase the temperature and see the output. We can see that the temperature is increasing. If we remove this soldering ion, temperature will decrease gradually.